Hey everybody, it's Brent in Central Arkansas. Today I want to talk to you about production. Production is the next thing on my list after taste. Today I have a couple of examples for you. I've got this pepper that's behind me here. This is California Brian. I've also got a zucchini I've been working on for some time, and I'm going to show you that as well. Alright, this is California Brian. That's what I call this variety of pepper, named after my son Brian, who happens to live in California. And it's about, if you count where it comes out of the cage here all the way up, it is about 3 foot tall, and it's really nice and bushy. I'm getting some, not only do I have a whole lot of production here, but I'm also starting to get some color. And I love the way this thing turns from a pale yellow to an orange and then finally to a red. I don't see any red examples on here. I am seeing some orange, and there's another orange back over there. But yeah, I'm really loving this pepper a whole lot because of how much it produces. I'll show you some of these. I've got little peppers on every little branch that's protruding out, and look at the little flowers on there, and it's all the way around. Let me take you to the other side and show you. Alright, here we are on the other side. We've got some here, and it's amazing how it can just keep setting fruit even when the fruit is maturing, and continue to make these little peppers. I'm really pleased with it. I've got I lost count after 100. I tried to count, and I got about half of this area over here, and I lost count after 100 fruit set. And fruit set is when you get a little pepper on it like this. It pokes through the flower, and of course, like most peppers, it pollinate really easily. You don't have to shake it or do anything to it whatsoever. It's just a gorgeous plant. So much fruit, and the taste is great. It's about somewhere around 500 to 700 Scoville, and that's the heat scale. And yeah, super pleased with the selection. Now this is probably the choice I made. I think it was, yeah, there was 6 in the greenhouse updates. I think I grew 3 pots of 2 or 3 pots of 3. So yeah, there was about 9 plants, and this was the one I chose. And yeah, it's not disappointing whatsoever. Now here in this tray, I've got a whole lot of plants for the next generation of many different things. But I'm here to just show you that this whole line, I've got 12 more plants that I've started off the very same plant you just saw. So we're going to start another generation and try to get another generation in before the end of the year. I want to focus on my zucchini here. You can see that the seed squash is starting to turn. So it won't be about another month and I'll collect seed from that. But the plant has grown, and I let it come down the cage here. But I want you to look at this production capability, potential, I guess, if you will. Even with the seed squash on it, this thing is still trying like crazy to produce squash. A squash at every single node, and and it's not dying off quickly either. You can see way back here they're starting to die off here and here, but all these are what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, there's about 15 or so squash, baby squash on here. They didn't get pollinated because it's the only one in the greenhouse, but yeah, there's a lot of potential here, and I'm really liking it. So the whole purpose of it being here right now is to save the seed. The previous video was taken a few days ago, maybe even up to a week ago. I'm not exactly sure, but I needed more room for the plants. The tomato over there was getting crowded out by all the vines, so what I did was I cut it back here. But it had already started this little off branching, and you can see the thing has got like 4 or 5 little babies on that offshoot. This thing is just a machine. So there you go. I'm pretty excited about these two plants and the breeding work and how the line's going with both of these. And yeah, super happy and pleased with it all. I'm happy to bring it to you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. It's Brent. We'll see you guys later. Well, that wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. In order to subscribe, all you got to do is click the button here. You'll put a check mark next to it. If you want to get notification the next time I make a video, click on the bell here. Check here and hit save. You guys take care.